Of course, we've cut that short because of that breaking news that Babu Owino's election have been upheld. I can see from my end here, celebrations galore there as the Embakasi member of parliament there, surrounded by his supporters and a team of his lawyers there. His election has been upheld. He's a member of parliament, of course, who won that seat through the ODM party. Once again, the breaking news we have for you at the moment is that Babu Owino's election has been upheld by the court there. You can see jubilation, surrounded by his supporters. He's also being surrounded by some of his legal team there. We're going to link up with our reporters on the ground any moment from now. Those are live pictures coming our way from the highest court of the land, that is the Supreme Court of Kenya, where the election of Babu Owino, the former SONU leader, that is the Nairobi University student leader who won Embakasi's sit on an ODM ticket. And let's just listen into some of the development there first.
Thank you very much. Nairobi sawa twende hapo nje. Twende. Oya. Ajinyonge. Ngoja kidogo. Wacha wengine tu. Ngoja kidogo. Uko tayari? Songa nyuma kidogo wasema. Bana mimi sio sana. Nyuma tu. Huyu yake. Nyuma. Uko tayari? Leta moja tu. Haya. Endelea. No. After all this mada huyu pia ilikuwa na yake leo. Kuja hapa. Songa hapo mama. Yake ilikuwa leo pia. Tusichanganye yake. You ready? First of all, we as a party, we are very, very happy with the decision of the Court of Appeal upholding the election of Honorable Babu Owino as the Member of Parliament Embakasi East. We want to thank our advocates led by the very able Jackson Awele. We thank the people of Embakasi East and all the supporters of the party for their patience throughout this particular period. And we want to encourage Mheshimiwa Babu now to start the work of Embakasi East in earnest, and to remember that especially when it comes to youth leadership in this country, he is one of the reference points in terms of the performance of young people in the house. So Mheshimiwa Babu, we hope that you will fly the flag of the young people in this country high, and let you, through your work, for the people of Embakasi be an encouragement for the participation of more young people in elections. Sisi kama chama tumefurahi sana kwa matokeo haya. Hiki kiti kilikuwa ni cha ODM na Mheshimiwa Babu pamoja na chama tulikuwa tayari kwa lolote lile. Hata leo ingesemekana kwamba turudi kwenye kiwanja, Babu alikuwa tayari, ODM ilikuwa tayari, tungewanyorosha wale wote ambao wanataka kutunyang'anya kiti hichi chetu. Kwa hivyo namshukuru Mola na tunashukuru mawakili wetu kwa kazi nzuri ambao wamefanya. Asanteni sana.
Asante sana. Tuko na Mheshimiwa Nyamai, who is the chair Lands Committee.
Yeye pia alikuwa na kesi yake mwanzo chukua mambo yake.
Okay. Kushukuru Mungu. Mimi ningependa kushukuru Mungu ya kwamba leo asubuhi tumeshinda. Kuwa kotini ni kazi ngumu sana, kupitia katika koti, high court mpaka kupelekwa court of appeal ni kazi kubwa sana. Tunataka kushukuru Mungu tukiwa na Babu Owino, tuko katika kamati moja ya mashamba Lands Committee, na kwa kweli wakati huko kotini inakuwa ni ngumu sana kufanya kazi yako. Hata wakati ule tulikuwa kule tukipeana ma title deeds na rais, mjue sisi tulikuwa tunatetemeka kidogo kwa sababu huwezi kujua koti itaenda namna gani. Kwa hivyo ningependa kushukuru Mungu kwanza kwa sababu tumeshinda. Ningependa pia kushukuru mawakili wetu ambao waliniwakilisha mimi na waliowakilisha Babu Owino. Tunataka kushukuru watu wote ambao walituchagua, na tunasema ya kwamba tuko tayari kufanyia serikali kazi, tuko tayari kufanyia mwananchi wa kawaida kazi, na hasa katika ile kamati tuko ambayo ni ya mashamba. Sisi tunashukuru Mungu ya kwamba tumepata wakati wa kufanyia kazi watu wetu. So I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate my colleague Babu Owino, and also to encourage many people, young people, go for leadership positions. No matter how difficult it is, no matter how many times you are taken to court, God is the one who is a decision maker of our lives. Thank you very much.
Okay. I want to, as the captain of large Embakasi, today is a proud day. I am the captain. This is my son. This is a new Babu. Babu, now you've got 4 years. I'm sure you will now take lead of your testing. And this handshake also, please be careful. We are now working with the government, and I'm sure Babu is an able leader, and we will work together with him. And my appeal to Murithi, awachane na hiyo maneno ingine, ashikane na Babu, and then we go forward. My real appreciation is to the justice which the judges have given. The justice will prevail. And my real appreciation is to the supporters. You can see they walk all the way from Embakasi. And to all the ODM leaders, the SG and the judges. Babu, well done. You are a new Babu, a Babu of friendship.
Haya, let me speak. Wacha tuongee kwanza. Mimi ni Mheshimiwa Saboti, Member of Parliament, Caleb Amisi. You know, Babu is in the political arena. His gunpowder suddenly gone silent. And now that this case has revitalized us, the youth and the young leaders of this nation, we are going to work together. We are going to work with Babu Owino to realize the dreams of the people of Embakasi East. And we thank God and we congratulate Babu Owino for winning this case. So chapa kazi bwana.
Thank you very much.
Go ahead.
Kuna
Okay.
Asanteni, mine will be very brief. Mine is to congratulate Mheshimiwa Babu Owino. We always knew that he had won this seat legitimately, and that the powers that be, especially before the handshake, were trying to target Babu because of the very vocal nature in which he protected his party leader and his party Orange Democratic Movement. But we'd like to tell them that was the electioneering period. We have moved post-electioneering. Now we are in a new dispensation, and I want to encourage Babu Owino to go ahead, represent the people of Embakasi East and the youth of this country. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'm Babu Owino, Embakasi East Member of Parliament. First, I would like to thank the Almighty God for helping this case be a success. Secondly, I would like to thank my family for giving me the support, the moral support that they provided to enable us win the case. Thirdly, I would like to thank the judicial system. Finally, justice has been served. I would also like to thank my lawyers. To my lawyers, that was a wonderful job. Ms. Awele, Honorable James Orengo, and the IBC lawyer, Mr. Odiambo. Congratulations and thank you very much. To the people of Embakasi East constituency, I would like to thank them very much, and I would like to let them know that they elected an intelligent and a competent leader who will serve their interest. I will serve with the people of Embakasi East constituency. To the members of parliament who are here, starting with our Secretary General, Mr. Edwin Sifuna, thank you very much. Thank you very much, members of parliament who are here. To all Kenyans, I would like to thank you very much for the prayers that you offered, and may God bless all of you. I will serve you. I will extend an olive branch to serve you all. I would also like to congratulate Mheshimiwa Nyamai for winning our appeal. She is the chair of the Lands Committee. She is my chair lady of the Lands Committee, and congratulations, Mheshimiwa. To my opponents, I would like to urge them to wake up from the ground. They dust up and move forward. I invite them to come and help me serve the people of the Embakasi East constituency. I know there's a time for everything, a time to be led and a time to lead. This is a time for my opponents to be led. Let them respect the people in power now, so that when their time comes, they can be respected back. And I believe that also in them there's leadership. We will not dismiss them as our opponents. I will embrace them, and I will pray that Almighty God one day to help them achieve their dreams in life. God bless Kenyans. Thank you very much, and God bless everybody. Asanteni sana.
Okay. What do you address people from the pickup?